Welcome to the 10th video of the module 5, that is numerical methods. In this video, I am going to explain some more problems as tutorial 1. First problem, use Newton's forward interpolation formula to find y35 given y20 is 512, y30 is 439, y40 is 346 and y50 is 243. First, we need to find out the difference table. So, let us find that one. It is given by as follows. So, in the difference table, we have the x values, that is 20, 30. These are all the x values which is tabulated as 20, 30, 40 and 50. Y values are tabulated as 512, 439, 346 and 243. Delta y is nothing but the difference between 439 minus 512, which gives us minus 73. Similarly, 346 minus 439, which gives minus 93. 243 minus 346, which gives minus 103. Next is the del square y. So in order to get the del square y, we need to take the successive values difference, that is minus 93 minus 73, minus of minus 73, which will be plus. So we get minus 20. Next 103 minus of minus 93, which gives minus 10. Next is del cube y is obtained by taking the difference of del square y values, that is minus 10 minus of 20 minus of minus 20, which will give us plus 20. So now we need to observe these values and substitute appropriately in the difference table formula, Newton's interpolation formula. We have the forward interpolation formula given by yr is equal to y naught plus r delta y naught plus r minus 1 by 2 factorial del square y naught plus r minus 1 r minus 2 by 3 factorial del cube y naught plus etc. Where r is given by x minus x naught by h, that is 35 minus 20 divided by h, that is 10, is equal to 1.5. And therefore y of 35 is given by 512 plus 1.5 into minus 73 plus 1.5 into 1.5 minus 1 divided by 2 into minus 20 plus 1.5 into 1.5 minus 1 into 1.5 minus 2 divided by 6 into 20 into 10, which gives on simplification 394.375. Therefore y35 is given by 394.375. Next problem. The population for a town is given by the following table. Year is 1951, 1961, 1971, 1981 and 91. Population in thousands is given by 19.96, 39.65, 58.81 and 77.21. In the year 1991, it was 94.61. Using a Newton's forward and backward interpolation formula, calculate the increase in the population from 1955 to 85. So what we need to do is, we have to first find what is the population in the year 1955 by using the forward interpolation formula, and also we need to find what's the population in thousands in the year 1985 by using the backward interpolation formula. Later we need to subtract the data so that we will be able to get the increase from 1955 to 1985. Here is the table with the values of x taken as it is, that is 1951, 61, 71, 81 and 91. There are corresponding values of y is also tabulated, that is 19.96, 39.65, 58.51, 77.21 and 94.61. The first difference is obtained by taking the difference between the successive values of y, that is when we take the difference between these two we get 19.69. When we take the difference between these two we get 19.16, and difference between these two is 18.4, difference between these two is 17.4. Similarly, the second difference is obtained by taking the difference of these two, that is 19.16 to 19.69. We get a minus of 0.53. Difference of these two is minus 0.76. Difference of these two is equal to 1 with a minus 1. Next, in order to get the third difference, the difference of these two is minus 0.23. Difference of these two is minus 0.24. Again, fourth difference is obtained by taking the difference between these two, which will give us minus 0.01. Here, we need to observe for 55, that is for the first one, you need to concentrate on these values. That is, respectively, this is our y, and this will be the del y0. This will be del square y0. This is del cube y0. And this is del power 4 y0. Whereas here this value will be considered as yn. This will be nabla yn, this value. And this value will be nabla squared yn. And this value will be nabla cube yn. And this value will be taken as nabla power 4 of yn. Now with this we will apply to the forward and then the backward interpolation formula. Case 1. To find y of 1955, we have from the table x0, as I have already explained what is x0, y0, del y0, del square y0, del cube y0 and del power 4 y0. From the table it has been taken. Now we have from the forward interpolation formula, this is the formula in the forward interpolation, where r is given by x minus x0 by h. That is 1955 minus 1951 divided by 10, which is 0.4. Let us substitute in the forward interpolation formula, which gives us 19.96 plus 0.4 into 19.69 plus 0.4 into minus 0.6 divided by 2 into minus 0.53 plus 0.4 into minus 0.6 into minus 1.6 divided by 6 into minus 0.23 plus 0.6 into minus 4 into minus 1.6 and minus 2.6 by 24 into minus 0.01, which on simplification gives us 27.89. So this is the first case we have determined, that is y of 1955 is 27.89. Now let us find out what is y of 1985, and from the table where xn was 1991, yn is 94.61, del yn is 17.4, del square yn is minus 1 and del cube yn is minus 0.24. So let us consider the formula here and substitute the value. Then where r is given by x minus xn by h, that is 1985 minus 1991 by 10, which gives us minus 0.6. So when on substitution, 1985 is given by 94.61 in plus minus 0.6 into 17.4 plus minus 0.6 into plus 0.4 divided by 2 into minus 1 plus minus 0.6 into minus 4 plus 0.4 into 1.4 divided by 6 into minus 0.24 plus minus 0.6 into 0.4 into 1.4 into 2.4 by 24 into minus 0.01, that is giving us 84.3. Now we have found out what is 1985. Y of 1985 we have found out. 55 also we have found. Now the difference which we take, we will get the final answer. Next problem. Given U20 is equal to 24.37, U22 is 49.28, U29 is 162.86, 32 is 240.5. Find U28 by using the Newton's divided difference formula. Here we can observe why we need to apply the Newton's divided difference means here it is 20 to 22, 2 difference is there. Between 22 and 29, 7 difference is there. Between 29 and 32, we have 3 difference. So it is unequal intervals. There is no doubt about it. So these suffixes can be taken as x values and these values are taken, the right hand side values are taken as y values respectively. And we will form the divided difference table. So the divided difference table which we have already explained in the previous videos. Same thing, that is x values and y values are tabulated, or f of x values, and the first divided difference is nothing but a difference between these two divided by 22 minus 20, which gives us 12.455. Similarly, that is first divided difference, that is f of x1 and x2, is obtained by the difference between these two divided by 29 minus 22. Next, difference between these two divided by the difference, that is 32 minus 29, which gives us 25.88 and 16.226. Next, this is obtained, that is the second divided difference is obtained by taking the difference between these two minus the difference between the first and the third value. And similarly, this is obtained by taking the difference between these two and taking the difference between the second and the fourth value. And finally, the third divided difference is obtained by taking the difference between these two and taking divided by the difference between the first and the last value, which gives us 0.0455. Now we need to substitute it in the divided difference formula. The divided difference formula is given by f of x is equal to f of x naught plus x minus x naught into f of x naught x1 plus etc. This is the divided difference formula. Now let us substitute in the formula. So which gives 24.37 plus 28 minus 20 into 12.455 plus etc. Then on simplification, f of 28 will be 141.938 or 141.94, which is almost approximate value of this. Thank you.